Nzokumana sidozi mukati mufuru. Kuza mari kamne manza nokutora mari pai.
Yes, these Premier League players, they are living a very miserable life. They live on soccer, but at the moment, there's nothing to write home about. They eat, sleep, and drink football, but at the end of the day, they can't put food on the table because there's nothing, no incentive, no nothing, no COVID allowance, no nothing at the moment. They are surviving by the grace of God.
As a player, those unsanctioned games are not allowed, even if you take a look at your contract. Our contract, they stipulate that we don't have to play those games. So I would advise for me to say they cannot play, it's a lie. They will play, but they have to take precautionary measures.
We don't encourage any activities that are not ethical in as far as football operations are concerned. We encourage players to remain ethical as they conduct their football activities and not to be in any way in breach of national laws that do not allow the gathering or the organization of football activities during this corona era.